Brake pads and discs maintenance. Carry out regular checks for both the brake pads and discs. Disc. You will find the minimum thickness in your manual. In most cases, it is also printed on the side of the disc. Always measure the thickness where the disc gets connected to the pads, as this is the place where it will get the thinnest. Pads. The legal limit is 1.5 mm at any point. However, sometimes the pad plate can get rusty underneath the ceramic part, causing it to get floppy, and in some cases, you may even lose it. It is very important that when this happens, you replace the pads immediately. Brake pads with NRS technology can prevent this scenario and will give you longer lifetime and less noise. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a like. If you would like to see similar content, please subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications.